To ensure excellent cooking performance on induction, it's really important to use the correct pan and the right size pan for the zone. Rangemaster have developed a range of cookware that's suitable for all Rangemaster induction hobs. The Rangemaster stainless steel saucepan set is fantastic. It's got a really great ergonomic handle, and crucially for induction, it has a really smooth base. When using a pan on induction, you must ensure the base is completely flat. So no spots, no circles, just flat across the whole base of the pan. Rangemaster saucepans are suitable for all hob types. They're oven safe up to 240 degrees and they're also dishwasher safe. The next generation induction hob features a bridging zone. This can be used for 2 pans, as shown here, or we can remove these pans and bridge the zone to use the griddle. And the griddle sits on the zone like this. In order to bridge the zone, we need to use 2 control dials. So we turn the control dials round to power level 9 and then hold them both together to get the bridge zone symbol. Then we turn the left dial down to the level that we're going to cook at. In this case, it's going to be level 7. The griddle has a non-stick cooking surface and it's perfect for vegetables, fish, steak, or garlic bread. The induction hob has a range of heat settings. The first 3 are temperature settings. L1 is 40 degrees, L2 is 74 degrees, and L3 is 94 degrees. An example of something that could be cooked on L1 would be to melt chocolate directly in the pan. For L2, hot holding, such as a curry or chilli, and for L3, a rapid boil, such as pasta or rice. In addition to the temperature settings, the induction hob has 9 levels of power. An example of something you could cook on level 3 would be to very gently simmer something like a bolognese or chilli. Level 8 could be used to cook a caramel at a rapid boil. The induction hob is really versatile and can be used for any culinary task. It's also really easy to clean. Simply wipe with a damp cloth.